khi tân tổ bị đặt giá sàn
Radio
khi tân tổ bị đặt giá sàn
Radio CAYB, yes, go on. We hope you enjoyed last week's show. Yes, go on. Who did we interview last week?
Iomi.
Who works in Jessie Who Centre in the Holyhead, yes, go on.
Yeah,
And she's a new supply assistant for CAYB now, yes, go on. We got all of our usual features this week, such as a mystery song, go on. What's a mystery song, Ethan?
Christmas?
No, it's 5 different songs from 5 different decades, yes, go on. We also got our history with Osh. Where we're going this week, Osh?
We're going about something about Christmas.
Cool. And we also got Ethan here with Garage. Where we're going this week, Ethan?
It's a Christmas bonanza.
We also got Lacey here with the charts.
Hey!
What's the charts this week?
Christmas charts.
Yeah. We also got Max and Peter with the sports table here. And they'll run up some different news for you this week. We also got our interview for this week. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
Who are we interviewing this week, go on?
Hara.
And she's from Canolfan. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
And so we're going to start off this week's show with something Christmassy. Yes, go on. As a playlist is now 100% Christmas. Yes, go on.
Yeah, Dion.
Which Christmas song are we going to start with, go on?
Fly Me Home to Christmas by Freya.
And we're going to start off today's show, Dawn, with Driving Home for Christmas by Chris Rea. We hope you enjoy this one.
See those faces. I'm driving home for Christmas, yeah. Well, I'm moving down that line, and it's been so long, but I will be there. I sing this song to pass the time away, driving in my car, driving home for Christmas. It's gonna take some time, but I'll get there. Top to toe in tailbacks. Oh, I got red lights all around, but soon there'll be a freeway, yeah. Get my feet on holy ground. Driving home for Christmas. Driving home for Christmas with 1,000 memories. I take a look at the driver next to me. He's just the same. Just the same. Tailbacks. Oh, I got red lights all around. I'm driving home for Christmas, yeah. Get my feet on holy ground. So I sing for you, though you can't hear me when I get through. Go and feel you near me, driving in my car, driving home Christmas. Driving home for Christmas with 1,000 memories. I take a look at the driver next to me. He's just the same. He's driving home, driving home, driving home for Christmas.
That was Driving Home Christmas by Wythnos.
We hope you've enjoyed that song today, yes, this week, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And this is a Christmas special this week, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And coming up now, we've got our mystery song for this week, go on. And what's the mystery song, go on?
5 different songs.
And it's from 5 different decades, yes, go on.
Yeah.
But this week, we're going all Christmassy with the mystery songs, how we going?
Yeah.
So, let's crack on with the mystery song.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery Boy. Mystery Boy.
Here's our first song for this week.
Snow, but the children know.
Song number 2 for this week.
Song number 3 for this week.
Song number 4 week.
Waiting for
Song number 5 this week.
it's sad I say.
Hope you got all the songs of it.
Yes, we hope we got all the songs correctly, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And coming up next here now, what have we got done?
Silver Bell by Elvis Presley, directed by Oscar.
And Oshan wants to hear this song. Here's Silver Bells, Elvis Presley, just for you, Oshan.
Silver bells, silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear them ring, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air there's a feeling of Christmas. Children laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile. And on every street corner you'll hear silver bells, silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear them ring, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Strings of streetlights, even stoplights, blink a bright red and green as the shoppers rush home with their treasures. Hear the snow crunch, see the kids bunch. This is Santa's big scene, and above all the bustle you'll hear silver bells, silver bells, silver bells, silver bells. It's Christmas time in the city. Ring-a-ling, ring-a-ling, hear them ring, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas Day. Soon it will be Christmas Day.
This is the history. This is the history. The last one was Silver Bells by Elvis Presley. I hope you enjoy Silver Bells by Elvis Presley. Now we got the history. So this week we're going to Well, I said at the start of the show we go into the Christmas history, right? Well, it's exactly Christmas history, so it's everything in one, basically. So, apparently, we'll start with a Christmas thing of tree, apparently. So, the Christian Church later adopted December 25 to honor the birth of Jesus, a date that coincided with the Roman festival die Solis Invictus Nation Day of the birth of Inconsequential Son. The Nativity, the story of Jesus' birth in the stable in Bethlehem, is central to the nativity narrative, and is celebrated by Christian world. Worldwide. St. Nicholas, the modern figure of Santa Claus, is derived from St. Nicholas, a 4th century Christmas bishop from Myra, modern-day Turkey, who was known for his generosity and secret gift-giving. Christmas trees. While the modern Christmas tree is often associated with Queen Victoria's husband, Prince Albert, the first known tree in England was set up earlier by Queen Charlotte. I don't know, second or third. It's the third, the wife of George the Third. Christmas cards. The first Christmas card was production in 1843 by Sir Henry Cole, and they gained more popularity in 1870 after the cost of postage dropped. Christmas celebration throughout history. Well, I actually do not know, but early Christmas were sometimes persecuted for celebrating Christmas, even having to celebrate it is in private homes to avoid penalties. The Victorian era saw the popularisation of many traditions still celebrated today, including Christmas trees, carols, and party games like charades. If you know that, Google it. Modern era, the celebration of Christmas has evolved to include various customs from Christmas music, and shopping, to feasting and gift giving, which are enjoyed by people of diversity, faith, and none. So, what is the actual history about the Christmas? Well, refers to the nativity of Jesus by Bible account of its birth in Bethlehem and described in the Gospels of Matthew and Luke. Now then, the holiday's modern celebration on December 25th has roots in the Christian choice to place the event near the Roman winter solstice and pagan festival like Saturnalia, which was converted from the church after it became Rome's official religion in 4th century in Italy, if you don't know. So an angel visited to Mary and Virgin to announce she would miraculously conceive and give birth to the Son of God. Joseph, Mary's betrothed, was also visited by an angel who confirmed the divine nature of a child. Due to a conscience decreed by Caesar Augustus, Joseph and Mary travelled to Bethlehem, Jesus and Canolfan home. With no room at the inn, Mary gave birth in a stable. Jesus was laid in manger. Shepherds were the first to hear the news from an angel and went to the stable to see the baby. Later, wise men from the east following a star to Bethlehem to find and worship the newborn king, bringing him gifts. So hope you enjoy this history about the Christmas and the this Christmas, this year in the UK, it's on Thursday the 25th. Hope you enjoy your Christmas, and I'll see you after the Christmas holidays, and I'll come back to do the history probably. Anyway, it's goodbye for me now, and the next song is gonna be Fairy Tale of New York by the Pogues. Hope you enjoy the next song, and I'll see you after the Christmas holidays. Goodbye for now.
Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Time for parties and celebrations. People dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses. Time for singing Christmas songs. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss by candlelight. Room is swaying, records playing. All the old songs we love to hear. All I wish that every day was Christmas. What a nice way to spend the year. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss by candlelight. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh, snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ooh, Merry Christmas, everyone.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan. The countdown to Christmas is upon us. Welcome to Garge's Christmas Bonanza. Starting with Preservation Periodical for December 2025. Has anyone put toy trains around the tree? Good. We got more news from the rail preservation sector. First up, the Alaska Railroad number 557 has steamed up after 60 years. Holy moly, can't say much more. This is going to take us a while. Next up, the HL&LRR's 331 Central Pacific's Leviathan returns to operation. And then we got the Your Sugar Steam photo charter excursion for January 17th to 18th. And this is going to be a ride on the Exile that was kicked off the FEC. Fourth, there's some news related to the New York Central 3001, which has now begun to get ready to be moved to its new home. At 6:14, there's a lot of news going on, such as the boiler now being stripped and ready for sheet stay bolt working, and all the tubes and flues removed ready to be refitted as soon as they are due. Next up, we got news on 3985. Its cab is finished and installed on the engine, and there's more railroad heritage of Midwest American news, as they're getting the biggest ever roundhouse turntable yet for operational standards. And then, our Rio Grande Silver number 20 is going to the Durango Silverton for the January. On to the travel bit, we got the North Pole Express by the Steam Railroading Institute. So because we're going from Owasso in Michigan to Ashley in Michigan. Coach class tickets cost $89 per person. That is literally all. On to some historical context. The original rotary snowplow was made by a guy named J.W. Elliott, who lived in Toronto, Canada. But he never built a working model or prototype. Orange Joel of Orangeville, Ontario, expanded on Elliott's design, building working models, and he tested with sound. During the winter of 1884, Joel contracted the Leslie brothers to build a full-size prototype that proved successful. Later on, orders began rolling in, with the Leslie brothers contracted the Cook Locomotive Works in Patterson, New Jersey, to do the actual construction. And on to obscurities of America, we got the L1, L1A, and L1B Hudsons. They are 464s, no words needed. They worked on passenger trains until the diesels took over, throwing them down to freight service. One of them, fully intact, number 170, is on display at the National Museum of Transportation in St. Louis, Missouri, whereas the tender of number 174 is at the age of steam roundhouse in Sugar Creek, Ohio. The tender of 174 was painted red, white, and blue and lettered by war bonds on the tender. Although now, the tender is now just red, white, and blue. Can the Age of Steam Roundhouse do something about 174's tender? Like donate it to the NMOT to be used, and the NMOT just donate it somewhere like the Fort Wayne Railroad Historical Society to let it run? Next up, we got Lacey's music charts, but before then, I need a break. This is taking ages.
Thank you, guys. Now it's time for the final charts of before January. And number 5, we got Anywhere by Rita Ora. And number 4, we got Havana by Camila Cabello and Young Thug. And number 3, we got Last Christmas, like, wow. At number 2, we got All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. And number 1, we got Perfect by Ed Sheeran. The next one is Rocking Around the Christmas Tree by Brenda Lee.
Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to stop. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you hear voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree, have a happy holiday. Everyone dance. with boughs of holly rocking around the Christmas tree. Have a happy holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way.
Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe. She'd been drinking too much eggnog, and we begged her not to go. But she forgot her medication, and she staggered out the door into the snow. When we found her Christmas morning at the scene of the attack, she had hoof prints on her forehead and incriminating claws marks on her back. Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe. Now we're all so proud of Grandpa. He's been taking this so well. See him in there watching football, drinking beer and playing cards with Cousin Mel. It's not Christmas without Grandma. All the family's dressed in black, and we just can't help but wonder, should we open up her gifts or send them back? Send them back! Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe. Now the goose is on the table, and the pudding made of fig. And the blue and silver candles that would just have matched the hair in Grandma's wig. I've warned all my friends and neighbors, better watch out for yourselves. They should never give a license to a man who drives a sleigh and plays with elves. Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe. Sing it, Grandpa. Grandma got run over by a reindeer walking home from our house Christmas Eve. You can say there's no such thing as Santa, but as for me and Grandpa, we believe.
Merry Christmas.
Are you ready, children? Yes. When the snowman brings you snow, well, he just might like to know, just put a great big smile on somebody's face.
That was Christmas Every Day by Wythnos.
And Roy Wood, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And now we got news around the school for this week, haven't we got?
Yeah.
I think we got a lot going on this week, haven't we got?
Yeah.
We haven't got Ush on here today, unfortunately, go on.
No deal.
Well, he'll be back in January with news around the school, yes, go on.
Yeah.
So, first of all, we got Mrs. C in King's Pedway, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And what has she done this week?
He's been elected to the Wales over 60s.
His hockey squad, yes, go on.
Yeah,
Congratulations to Mrs. C, yes, Mrs. C, yes, go on.
Yeah.
And she also scored a goal for Trevor Bay ladies football team in their 2-0 win victory over Canolfan, yes, go on.
Yeah, deal.
And also, we're going from Youthcraft now to Cynradd, aren't we, go on? And what have Cynradd Pedwell been doing this week, right?
Christmas tracks.
And they've been doing sensory play as well, haven't they, gone?
Yeah, deal.
But the only problem with them is gone. They've got glitter everywhere, haven't they?
Yeah, deal.
So, yeah, we hope they had a good time playing with sensory play and crafts, yes, go on?
Yeah, deal.
And also, what have King Treat and Kate Pimp have been doing today, go on?
We went to the cinema to watch Christmas Karma.
In Cinema in Llandudno Junction, yes, go on. And we had a wonderful time watching that as well, didn't we, go on?
Yeah, deal.
And we've also had McDonald's, didn't we, go on?
Yeah, deal.
What did you have from McDonald's, go on?
Big tasty.
I had a big tasty as well, didn't I, go on?
Yeah, deal.
And some had KFC as well, didn't they, go on?
Yeah.
Not a lot had KFC though, no, go on.
No.
We had McDonald's. So, also there's rugby sessions happening with Jason, and that is happening with Don every Wednesday between 3:15 and 4:15. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
If you want to bring your child along to play rugby every Wednesday, you're more than welcome to. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And I think that's all the news we got this week. Also, Max, he's been down to Cardiff, hasn't he, gone?
Yeah.
And we want to welcome him back from Cardiff. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
So now we've got our next song. What is it, Don?
Here's Santa Claus by Bobby Ross.
We hope you enjoy this Christmas song. Yes, go on. And then after this, we'll have the mystery song answers for this week.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, way down Santa Claus Lane. Big sun and blitzen and all his reindeer pulling on the rein. Bells are ringing, children singing, all is merry and bright. Hang up your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus is coming tonight. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. He's got a bag that is filled with toys for the boys and girls again. Hear those sleigh bells jingle jangle, what a beautiful sight. Jump in your bed, cover up your head, 'cause Santa Claus is coming tonight. Santa Claus is coming tonight.
That was Here Comes Santa Claus by Bobby Ross.
And thank you, Gordon, for that song. Yes, Gordon.
Yeah.
And now we got our mystery song answers for this week now, haven't we, Gordon?
Yeah.
Right then, so we've got our mystery songs lined up here, ready for the answers now. How are we going? So what was our first song for this week from the 60s?
Lottie the No Man.
And that's by the Ronettes. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And our 70s song for this week was Step Into Christmas by Elton John. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And what was our 80s song going?
Bit rapper.
And that's by the Waitresses. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And our 90s song was Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays by NSYNC. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And our naughty song was gone.
Alone on Christmas Day by Phoenix.
That's by Phoenix. Yes, go on. So we've got our song coming up next now. How are we going?
Yeah.
And we hope you've got all those Christmas mystery songs correct. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
So now here's Ocean with the leaderboard. Take it away, Osh.
Now we got the leaderboard. This week was Christmas movies and the shows. Oh, hope you enjoy it this week. So, number 6 we got chreu'n that got 3 out of 15. Number 5 we got Canolfan got 11 out of 15. Also Canolfan got 11 out of 15. And also chreu'n got 11 out of 15. Well done. Number 4 we got Canolfan got 12 out of 15. Also Dyma got 12 out of 15. Well done for trying, I would say. Number 3 we got Canolfan that got 13 out of 15. Then Canolfan got 13 out of 15. And also Canolfan got 13 out of 15. Well done for trying, I would say. So number 2 we got Dyma that got 14 out of 15. And apparently Canolfan got 14 out of 15. And also chreu'n got 14 out of 15. Well done. Number 1 we got Canolfan that got Full House, apparently. 15 out of 15. So we hope you'll enjoy this leaderboard about Christmas movies and TV shows, and I'll see you after the Christmas holidays. Goodbye.
It was Christmas Eve, babe, in the drunk tank. An old man said to me, won't see another one. And then he sang a song, the rare old mountain dew. I turned my face away and dreamed about you. Got on a lucky one, came in 18 to 1. I've got a feeling this year's for me and you. So happy Christmas, I love you, baby. I can see a better time when all our dreams come true.
You promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome.
You were pretty queen of New York City. When the band finished playing, they held out for more. Sinatra was swinging, all the drunks they were singing. We kissed on the corner, then danced through the night. The boys of the NYPD choir were singing Go Away Babe, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. You're an old slut and junk lying there almost dead on a
night.
You scumbag, you maggot, you cheap and you haggard. Happy Christmas, you're ours, I pray God it's our last.
The boys of the NYPD choir still singing Go Away Babe, and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day. I could have been someone.
Well, so could anyone. You took my dreams from me when I first found you.
I kept them with me, babe. I put them with my own. Can't make it all alone. I built my dreams around you. The boys of the NYPD choir still singing Go Away Babe, and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day.
These matching beans, yesterday match, we had full with the Mountain Mountain Sea got 5-4, and got and Gorman with his other got this 1-0 under. And we have Newcastle, this is Spurs, 2-2. It's a draw. The next match tonight we have Wrexham versus Aston Villa. Rugby, this is Chris. Rolls the Rabbit, this is North Forest. Arsenal, this is Turkey. These are guys, Chelsea. Liverpool, Sunderland. Bangladesh, we have. So, so there we have the ranking, which is Aston Villa. So, Aston Villa, 2-1 to the ranking. And we have very good 4-0. That's the Wolves North Forest. 3-0 for Wolverhampton, 10-0 for Wolverhampton. And we got also the first one. 1-0 to Arsenal, 2-0 to Arsenal. We have the easy guys here with the Chelsea, 3-0 to Chelsea, 3-0 to Chelsea. We had a Liverpool with the Sunderland, 3-0 to Sunderland. As we have 3-0 to London. We have a West Ham, which is wedi'i. 3-0 West Ham, 3-0 to Bennod. Our top of the 10 call, we have Arsenal and Roy. Last night, the Bug City played with this football. Bug City got 28. Wow! What's a very point? And we have Chelsea, 24. Aston also 24. And we have Viking to play tonight. Viking, this is Aston Villa. So Viking got 22. And Sunderland for 22. Play tonight. played the Blue Hall. We had Man United with Scotland 21. We played Kentucky, played United. We had Liverpool 21. We had Exeter to 21. The last night, we beat the bottom 1-0 to 21. We beat the 21. We had the system plays to play tonight. It's got Whitey. Spurs, last night, it's at the draw 2-2. 19 points. We have Wythnos also got the 20 points. So, play tonight. We have the Newcastle. We'll play 9 points. Playing Spurs tonight. Last night. We have Fulham 19 points for Fulham. We have the Scotland 17 points. Dog Forest lost got the 12 points. And I played to tonight with his Wolves. We have got the leg point. Leg point is good. We have also played tonight. We have tonight with leg point. Bertie has a 10 point. Also played tonight. Wuhan is supposed to 2 points. We're still. We have 1-0. But that's to be going. But that's it. Join West Ham. So that's it to the covered news. What we see? I think that what really was white board. Still there, record shot. What the second is the second guy who's classic like me, the second guy from Canolfan Addysg.
This year
listening to Radio CAYB, and now we've got our interview for this week. This week it's Carla, who is in Canolfan Addysg. Hello Carla, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you very much.
Good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
What have you been your moment in CAYB?
My favourite moment in CAYB was going to Canolfan.
And what things do you like doing in Canolfan?
Oh, my favourite thing to do in Canolfan is... Oh, that's a hard one. I like to do a lot of things. Have Stacey in the class on a Monday afternoon.
Our second question for you is, have you settled into your new house? And what has been the best thing about having your own home?
Yes, I have settled in finally. The best thing is being able to cook whatever I want.
Oh, what type of things do you like cooking?
I like cooking bolognese. My favourite is a Sunday lunch.
Oh.
My roasties are probably the best.
Oh. That's making us hungry, isn't it, Max? Go on.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's your favourite TV show?
What's my TV show?
And the movie as well, if you...
Oh, and the movie. At the moment, it's got to be I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here.
Ah, yes. Yeah, Angry Ginger.
Yeah.
Do you think he's going to win?
I think so, maybe. Who do you think's going to win, Max?
Jack.
Jack Osborne.
Oh, I don't know. I want Angry Ginger to win.
What is your favourite holiday destination?
Oh, this is easy. My favourite holiday destination is Lanzarote, because I go there every single year.
What do you do in Lanzarote?
Oh, it depends. This year, we went on a boat to Fuerteventura. We went on a submarine. The best thing to do in Lanzarote is hire mobility scooters.
Why would you hire a mobility scooter?
Because it's too hot to walk there. Sometimes they on.
Are you like horse, like duck, or a tag dog is just like a horse?
Okay. That's a tricky one. My brain needs to work first on that. Would you rather fight? Yeah. Okay. Say his keffil. Okay. I'd rather fight 10 duck-sized horses. I think. But did you write hwnna?
What you'd like to do in your spare time?
I like to go shopping. I like to take the dog for a walk. And in my spare time, I like to put my feet up and watch a bit of telly.
Oh, yes.
With a takeaway.
Which takeaway do you have?
Oh, it depends. My favourite has to be a Chinese.
Oh, yes.
And then my second favourite is a kebab.
Are you making us hungry here?
All I do is talk about
Yes.
food.
Food.
Should I say?
Talking about Chinese, yeah? Max has left over Chinese for breakfast, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, Max. That's my favourite thing to do.
Same here.
Yeah. And our seventh question is, what is your favourite band or singer?
My favourite singer has to be Lewis Capaldi.
What do you do when you win the lotto?
If I win the lottery, I would move to Lanzarote because that's my favourite place. I would buy a big mansion with a swimming pool.
Yeah.
And, yeah, I'd live there, I think.
Hang on, what would you do if you won the lottery, mate?
get a mountain.
Oh, yes.
And I'd buy a Ferrari.
Yes. What would you do, Max?
Buy Manchester and Mercedes.
What would you do, Ross?
I would buy a Lamborghini.
Nice. What would you do, Pete?
I don't know. Das ist richtig. Out there.
If I won the lottery, yeah, I'd buy a Ferrari for myself and the mansion. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Yes, Max.
Yes.
If you have a time machine, what would you do?
If I had a time machine, I'd go back to when Liverpool were actually good at playing football.
Liverpool are so rubbish now, aren't they, Max?
Yep.
United are slowly getting good, aren't they?
Yeah.
Who do you support, Max?
Villa.
Oh.
What would you do if you had the time machine going?
He'll make Man United to win.
Oh, yes. What would you do, Max, if you had the time machine?
Put Villa at number 1.
Oh. What would you do, Ross?
I would go back in time to see my 9 again.
That's a good one, Neil.
Yeah.
What do you do, Pete? You know what I would do? I would go back to 1999 when Man United was great, yeah?
Yeah.
Choose a song to Geschichte, the Shell.
Okay. A song I'd like to finish the show to would probably be... I'd like to finish the show to would have to be Westlife.
Yeah.
What about now?
Okay, so we'd like to thank Carla for coming in to Radio CAYB today. Diolch, Carla.
Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're going to finish off today's show with Westlife, and we'll see you next week for... So we'll see you next week for week 48 of Radio CAYB. Take care for now.
Bye.
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 Shadows fill an empty heart as love is fading from all the things that we are but are not saying. Can we see beyond the scars and make it to the dawn? Change the colors of the sky and open up to the ways you made me feel alive, the ways I loved you, for all the things that never died, to make it through the night. Love will find you. What about now? What about today? What if you're making me all that I was meant to be? What if our love never went away? What if it's lost behind words we could never find? Baby, before it's too late. What about now? Sun is breaking in your eyes. Start a new day. This broken heart can still survive with the touch of your grace. Shadows fade into the light. I am by your side where love will find you. What about now? What about today? What if you're making me all that I was meant What about today? What if you're making me all that I was meant to be? What if our love never went away? What if it's lost behind words we can never find? What about now? What about today? What if you're making me all that I was meant to be? What if our love never went away? What if it's lost behind words we could never find? Baby, before it's too late. Baby, before it's too late. What about now?
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio CAYB, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
تحية
Radio CAYB.